Hey guys, Dark Rebel here, and today I'm unboxing Madden 17. It literally just came out today, and I went out after work and I bought it because I really like Madden. As you can see, Rob Gronkowski is on the cover. The back, Ezekiel Elliott. If you don't know him, that don't know, Denver. I think that's, I forget, but as you can see, it is for the PS4, so let's get unboxing. Take my handy dandy knife, slit open that. I'm trying to do this one-handed, guys. Okay, there we go. Peel the plastic off. Who cares about the plastic? There you go, here's the game. Have it. Okay, we got a game. Shit. Hold on. Gotta plug my Bella. Sorry, that was my cat. Got two codes that I'm not gonna reveal. Actually, what we'll do with that is we'll take my West Virginia license and identification numbers, and we'll put that over top of the codes. So see, that's what you get the codes with. But that's cool. But here's the game. No pamphlet, just a game. So yeah, if you guys like this type of content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, it's been your boy Dark Rebel, and I'm out. Peace.